The weirdest places people have gotten stuck. Thank you. Okay. I just want to read a little bit of it. Sometimes people land themselves in sticky situations. Okay. From which they can't extricate themselves. Take the existing. Trapped in a seatbelt. Oh. That's. Oh. Okay. One more. Okay. I'm just gonna watch now.
Here are some of our favorite stories of people getting stuck in unusual places.
Wait, what?
First up, the Texas teen who got tangled up in her seatbelt. No matter how hard she tries, she can't seem to get out. Her mother can't believe
It like made like a Y shape.
Oh my god! Are you like a 5-year-old? I don't know how this happens! Seriously!
Gracie Davidson was in the back seat of her mom's car heading home after a soccer game when she fell asleep. When she woke up, she found that her seatbelt was tightly wrapped around her waist and she couldn't release it.
I laid down because I was tired, and then when we pulled into the Buc-ee's gas station, I sat up and unbuckled my seatbelt, and it came up on the side of my stomach, and it locked up at the top right here, and I was like, oh no, this is not good.
The police were called in to help. Firefighters also showed up to lend a hand.
They actually told me that they thought they were responding to a child stuck in the seatbelt. And then when they arrived, they realized I was much older than what they were expecting.
Well, that's weird. I've never seen that.
But despite their best efforts, Gracie remained stuck.
I don't even know how it happened.
Sure.
I was just
They all say that.
I was just saying.
What the? They're flipping out. This thing is really that tough. Bro, if it was me, man, and I see something like this, easy. I cut it. I like if I was the mom, I ain't got time to be calling police or firefighters. I'm cutting it with something sharp.
Fortunately, the 17-year-old stayed calm.
Okay, try to turn the car off.
Fun to her.
You think there's any way your face could go here and your legs back there and then go through this way? He'll hold your shoulders, I'll grab your feet. Do you want me to cut the seatbelt?
I mean, if we have no choice, we have to cut it. I don't know. I mean,
That's the only thing I can come up with.
yeah.
Finally, success.
The fire department showed up, and they had the tools to unlock the top of the seatbelt, which actually loosened it so I could slip out of it.
Next up, a woman named Gracie
What the? Stuck in the toilet? Is this real?
Henderson got her hand stuck in her toilet.
I thought maybe just something was just right up in there and I could grab it.
Wait. The idea of someone putting their hand in the toilet. Like what? Did your phone fall? Now that's an exception. If your phone falls inside, I get it. Well, something is there. Maybe I should grab it. What?
And problem solved.
But
What?
instead, problems started. Gracie had reached into her toilet to retrieve a bracelet that had fallen in.
Nobody was here. Nobody would ever know. If I found it, I'd pulled it out, I'd wash my hands and be good to go. You know, but I didn't find it and I couldn't get my hands unstuck.
Gracie's watch got
Damn.
stuck in the pipe. What's funny?
A
She
watch.
even works
Oh.
as an EMT.
You know, it's not really stuck. I'm not really about to call 911 for this. We do all kinds of crazy